In Indian economy, we are going to discuss about Santiago consensus. Okay, so this is the another important alternative model to the Washington consensus, which was formed and forwarded by the World Bank Group President James D. Wolfenson. Okay. So especially these principles of the Santiago consensus also for the developing countries. Okay. So here Santiago is in Chile. Okay, so Santiago is the capital of country Chile and it is in South America. Okay, so especially this important consensus for the developing countries to come out of the crisis. Okay, so here the idea of this model is inclusion of economic and social priorities. Okay, so the main idea of this model is inclusion or including the economic and social priorities in the economy. Okay, so here this is one type of similar formation to the Beijing consensus. Okay, so here social and economic model that may be bound to have its local characteristics. We have to follow the local characteristics according to the society, so that's why socio-economic model is very important. Okay, so here World Bank also proposed some important principles, that is in addition to the financial resources, not only to maintain the financial resources, but we have the incredible power of information technologies. We have to develop our economy into the technology base. Okay, and the new spirit that is very important to create the world economy, the important economy, so that is openness and partnership. Okay, so that is open investment climate. So we should create the open investment climate in the world, so that is known as openness and partnership. Okay, so this is very important new spirit to increase our economy in the world. So for this purpose, World Bank started some buildings, an internal architecture of a knowledge bank for this purpose. Okay, so in this process, the socio-economic growth also is very important in the country's economy. Okay, so India also inspired by seeing these important principles. Okay, so the World Bank proposals were inspired by the other governments also, especially in India also. Okay, so by using the inspiration from the World Bank proposals, so government our Indian government launched third generation or third economic reforms 2002. Okay, so in that reforms become inclusive in nature. Okay.